Hi everyone and welcome to Janet's Creative Flowers. My name is Janet. This is tutorial 84. Let us make a Groom's Buttonniere. Now let us see the materials required. First you need a petal rose. To make petal rose, refer to tutorial 14 on my channel. Link is in the description box. Then we need a peace rose. To learn how to make peace rose, refer to tutorial 18 on my channel. Again, link is in the description box. Then the FMN flowers, forget me not flowers. To learn how to make FMN flowers, refer to tutorial 13 on my channel. Again, link is in the description box. Then I need green floral tape. I have a bow here. I have one more video on this. I will mention in the comments. Then I have some pollens. They are called cherry pollens. I bought them from Amazon. You can also get them in the store. If they have some other name, I don't know. And these are also some kind of pollens. I don't know the name. I just went to the shop and I picked it. I have one pearl which is attached on a flower making wire. I have some half pearls here. They are half pearls for attaching. And then I have an artificial leaf which I ordered from Amazon. You need scissors, pliers and a safety pin. So let us get started.